So with the raider role, we can go ahead and actually post and announce raids here. So we're going to go ahead and get a screenshot of a raid that we have currently active. So here we have a Moltres. This is what the screenshot looks like. Make sure it's clear. And then we're going to post it. Now, when we post it, this is really awesome. PokeNav will actually generate quite a few things for us automatically. You don't have to ask people, hey, you know, join the raid or like this or that. Like, it will be set for you. There's going to be a little red envelope. Now, people can join from here or on a different section that we're going to show you. You can go over to active raids to check out any active raids that people have posted. And if someone clicks the red envelope, they'll be invited to join. They want to join your raid. So we're going to wait a little bit, and it looks like someone joined us. So that's awesome. We have another Valor. You can see it just pumped up by 1. So we have 2 Valors in on this. So we're going to go all the way down to the bottom, and at the bottom you can see it says Raid Parties. Moltres Covina Fire Department. So we're going to click on that. That's a raid channel that was made specifically for us, and only the people who are invited can access that. That's awesome. So at the top there's going to be a little cheat sheet. It shows you all of the different instructions you can have. You can, you know, just mess around with that, look at it, read it. Pause here if you need to. And this is really cool here. I'm just going to gloss over it. I'll come back a little bit later. But it'll say who's joining the raid. And it also has your trainer code at the beginning. So right here you can see someone named Backup Bry. That's my backup account for this example. Join the raid, so that's awesome. You can go $HTC, and that means host trainer code. So your trainer code will actually be posted if you do that, or if anyone else who joined the raid types in HTC as a command. You can see there, Backup Bry also did it, and they got the trainer code. That means everyone can add you without everyone having to ask, hey, what's your trainer code? What's your trainer code? And you can know who they are, because if they updated their in-game name, it'll tell you what their in-game name is. That way you don't have to ask what their in-game name is. You'll just know. So here, Backup Bry did not do that. That's really annoying, because maybe we won't know who he is. We won't know what his in-game name is if we already have him added, or if we just add him and we weren't paying attention. So right here you can see, set your in-game name, Bry. We don't like it when people don't do that. It makes it more difficult to raid. So if you're seeing this and you're joining in, hopefully you've set that, because that's how it's going to be for when you need a raid. So when you're ready, you can go the command ready, so $ and then ready, and it'll announce that you're ready. And if anyone else is ready, they can also do the same command so that everyone knows that they are ready. When the host says ready, it's probably a good idea for you to get ready if you're seeing it. So go ahead and make sure that you have that all ready to go, and then the raid host will go ahead and invite you in Pokemon Go. And some cool things that we're going to just briefly mention over, there's that cheat sheet that I mentioned before. You can see there's like $go, that's for like when you're going to go, ready, all those things. And this is really cool. There's a counter guide to this Moltres. So it'll say the CP range. That's how you know if it's max CP, when it's weather boosted or not weather boosted. It's charge moves, and you could also see some of the top counters like Rampardos right there. So that's really cool. So now, if you want to end the raid, you can just go $end, and then if you scroll down to the bottom, the channel doesn't exist anymore. It's gone. So if the host goes $end, the raid's over. The raid has ended. It gets deleted. If the raid goes over by the time that was posted in the screenshot, it'll also be deleted. So if you have a Moltres with only 15 minutes, it won't be there anymore after 15 minutes.